TVJ sports sources have revealed that World Under-20 silver medalist Nkrumie has been diagnosed with a strain of the right hamstring after undergoing an MRI scan in the Bahamas this afternoon. The national junior record holder pulled up in the heats of the 100 meters at the Carifta Championships in the Bahamas earlier today. Information reaching TVJ Sports is that Nkrumie said he felt a sharp pain in the hamstring. Nkrumie is the national junior record holder, having run 9.99 seconds to win the Class 1 100-meter event at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships a week ago. The performance also saw Nkrumie becoming the third ever junior to break 10 seconds.